Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Mohammed Samir Nasser and I will be serving as the High School Student Council President this year. The Student Council would now like to present the Perfect Attendance, High Honor Roll and Honor Roll Awards and would like to congratulate everyone for their hard work past quarter.
Hello, and welcome everybody. My name is Amin Haroon and I will be serving as the Middle School Student Council's President this year. The Student Council would now like to present the perfect attendances, high honor rolls and honor rolls for the past year. We would also like to congratulate everyone for their hard work and performance in quarter 4. I would also like to wish everybody good luck for the year ahead. Thank you very much.
From grade 6, the following students achieved perfect attendance in quarter 4. Muhammad Rayan Hussain, Gabrielle Jade, Arina Shami. From grade 7, the following students achieved perfect attendance in quarter 4. Zara Anwar, Sharez Bhatti, Bernice Daputong, Ijab Bilal, Mohammad Khwaja, Serene Rahman. From grade 8, the following students achieved a perfect attendance in quarter 4. Selina Butt, Iman Zoid.
The honor roll students for middle school this year for quarter 4 are from grade 6, Myra Akbar, Mohammed Rayan Hussain, Abdullah Irfan, Gabrielle J. Nazir, Mohammed Balaj Hayat Tarar. From grade 7 there's Ijab Bilal, Mohammed Hussain Chaudhary, Shariar Asmat Khan, Mohammed Khwaja. From grade 8 there's Young Chang, Basil Imran, Anya Malik, Deniz Uzbe, Amraha Sarwar.
These are the high school students who got honor roll in quarter 4. From grade 9, Ariana Ali, Ramin Heather, Qadir Iqbal Jamil, Maya Asad Mumtaz, Manur Usman, Bibi Fatima Zulfikar. These are the people who got honor roll from grade 10. Dua Hussain, Manal Sheriar. People who got honor roll from grade 11 are Soha Asghar Ali, Danish Ismail, Rawil Khan, Syed Mustamir Shah, and Abdullah Hanan Tahir.
High honor roll students from grade 6 for quarter 4 are Isha Hai, Rayan Jawad Khan, Rayan Rahim, Ariana Shami, Aman Siddiqui, Mia Dayan Tasharraf, Sheikh Muhammad Tayyab, and Aisha Wasim. High honor roll students from grade 7 for quarter 4 are Zara Anwar Anam, Sharez Faisal Bhatti, Bernice Ebony Dapudong, Saif Shakil Hamid, Amin Haroon, Maha Nasir, Arsal Umar Shami, and Rania Khurram Wattu.
High honor roll students for grade 8 quarter 4 are Miral Ehsan, Mehrbano Ehsanuddin, Rania Fahad Butt, Selina Shahid Butt, Sardar Ali Hassan Drishak, Ishal Gufran, Yanal Imran, Rahim Malik, Ilaya Raza Mansha, Zishan Mughal, Elida Osbe, Hanrui Peng, Ismail Sheikh, Ayla Siddiqui, Zain Umar, Maryam Zarar, and Iman Zoid.
The high honor roll students for quarter 4 from grade 9 are Saad Khan, Halima Abid Qureshi, Larissa Mima Savage, Mashal Sanjuk Tarar. The high honor students for quarter 4 from grade 10 are Mohit Muhammad Ahmed, Alina Yusuf Anis, Sara Asghar Ali, Seo Yoon Chang, Zuhair Fawad, Mustafa Ahmed Khuman, Muhammad Abu Bakr Gulzar, Ali Haroon, Hania Sharik Khan, Ishan Mughal, Muhammad Musa, and Iman Nofil. The high honor students for quarter 4 from grade 11 are Jasim Hassan Butt, Sikandar Shahid Butt, Nashmia Hassan, Tania Hassan, Yuni Amir Khan, Rania Jawad Khan, Muhammad Sameer Nasir, Momina Haya Rana, Mema Rashid, Muhammad Mozam Salman, and Bisma Farid Sheikh.
LAS Buffs have always been high achievers, and last year was no different. The LAS Buffs robotics team, led by Ms. Sajda Bukhari, made it all the way to the nationals of the first Lego League robotics competition, where they won the Best Project Presentation Award. The LAS Buffs also participated last year in the WWF-sponsored Eco Internship, where they addressed problems related to the environment, had interactive discussions, gave presentations, and addressed challenges creatively. Here are the awards.
So today I would like to announce that LAS Robotics team 1905 Buff the Builders. They have won the National FLL Robotics Competition City Shaper in 2021 for the Best Project Presentation. It was held on Saturday, November 21st, 2020. It was a day-long virtual event in which 22 teams and more than 115 participants from all over Pakistan participated. Our students worked very hard with dedication and remained focused to make it a success. I would like to thank everyone for their support and encouragement. Kindly congratulate our team on this big achievement. Now I will call the winning team to come and receive their certificates, medals and trophy. I will call Henry Peng. So please come forward. Yeah. So these are Congratulations. Please stand here for picture. Salman. And I will call Shades on Lobby. Please come and receive your certificate and medal. Next is now on behalf of Momin Adam and Abdullah Sheikh.
Hello everyone, I am the Public Relations Coordinator of Student Council and I have some closing remarks. Thank you and congratulations to all these hardworking students. They have worked really hard and deserve these awards. It has been really challenging working during this pandemic year. I hope that everyone gets the chance to work hard and get these achievements during this coming year too. Congratulations and good luck for the next year.
Thank you everyone for attending this ceremony. On behalf of the entire Student Council, I'd once again like to reiterate how proud we are of every single LAS Buff. The commitment and dedication you guys have shown this past year has been truly special, and we hope to see more of it in the coming year. Thank you.